Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to look at a new word, and let me introduce the word to you by spelling it out. The word for today is Abruptness. I repeat, Abruptness. And it divides itself into three syllables. Abruptness. Let me repeat. Syllable A is a, syllable B is abrupt, and syllable 3 is ness. Abruptness. Abruptness. Okay, so let us see the general Indian English pronunciation of this word. Okay, by general Indian English I mean the standardized pronunciation. Okay, so the general Indian English, the standardized pronunciation of this word is abruptness. 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 Now when I divided the word into syllables, you would have realized that the second syllable is stressed because that had the maximum number of sounds. Okay, so let us now I'll share screen with you and I'll show you the words so that you realize, you see the syllable division, and when you see the syllable division, you see the first syllable is the second syllable is abrupt, and the third syllable is ness. Now again, in fact, this is a very good candidate. This is a very good word to understand how onsets and codas work. Now onset consonants are those consonants which come before the vowel sound, and coda consonants are those consonants which come after the vowel sound. So please follow the cursor. So here we have a valid English onset br and a valid English coda per. Now I'm calling this a valid English onset because maybe in other languages they are not. They are not, these br and per are not valid onsets, and are not. It's not a valid onset or coda consonant cluster respectively. Okay. So here we see, so b does not come and join with a because I told you that we have to follow the onset first principle. First give onset consonants to the vowel sound. Now here, why isn't n coming here? That's also a question that you can ask, a valid question. That's a very genuine question that you're asking. N will not come here because again this needs a onset, and turn per turn is not a valid coda cluster. Per turn, you just say it and you will not be able to say it properly. It won't appear harmonic to you. Okay, so now I have introduced another word, that which does not appear harmonic, or that which you cannot say smoothly, is not a valid onset or a coda. But that is not the only rule. There are valid onsets and coda consonant clusters in English. Today we saw br is one onset, and we also saw that per, and we've already seen S plus onsets, three consonant onsets. I'll be doing a video on that, so don't worry. But please look at all the, I think this is the 33rd or 34th word that I'm doing. All the words before you look into that video, before you see that video, surely I'll do it. And of course, I understand that, by the way, just one more thing. Yesterday, as I was talking to my pronunciation course students, they were asking me, how do we spell this, or how do we pronounce this word? Always pronounce it syllabically. So you'll have to pronounce it like this: abruptness. Abruptness. Now how do we do that? Let me demonstrate it to you. This is how I do it. Okay, I'm not saying that this is the standardized version, but if you do it this way, the students and the listeners will be able to clearly sense the syllable division. So it's not abruptness, but abruptness. Look at the difference. Abruptness. Okay, that's not the correct syllable division. Look at the correct syllable. Listen to it. Abruptness. Abruptness. Okay, so there is a small, a millisecond of a pause that you have to give between one syllable and the next. Abruptness. And when you come to the stress syllable, okay, when you come to a series of sounds which are which have been clustered together as a syllable, where the maximum number of sounds will be there. Okay, So usually the maximum number of sounds will be there for the in the stress syllable. Please note that there you have to really articulate all the sounds. Just observe abruptness. But look at what I do with the third syllable ness. I don't say ness, I say ness. I don't give it that much prominence. I don't give it that much energy. I don't give it that much duration. So a stress syllable is all about giving it prominence, giving it energy, and making it stand out in comparison to the other syllables. And of course, it also matters. The duration also matters. Okay. In fact, there was some talk about why is it that how do we stress syllables in French? Look, let me be very clear. I have started doing my research on that, and I started reading about French stress, but that's a totally different world in its, I mean, it's not a totally different world, but first let us understand English stress and stress patterns. Let us start with lexical stress patterns, by which I mean stress patterns of words, and then go on to French and other European languages. So thanks a lot. Today we saw the word abruptness. Please practice this word, and please notice the the onsets and coda clusters that we have looked at. Okay, best of luck. Please look forward to the next video, and of course keep practicing.